Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the half Shiba Inu token. Ticker symbol is SHIB0.5. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the half Shiba Inu token. So SHIB0.5 is the ticker symbol. Halfshiba.site is their official webpage. This is an Ethereum token. You can find their Etherscan listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap now. It says so far they have 1,810 holders, 11,046 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 million tokens. So they have an OpenSea collection of NFTs. I'm going to click on that, see what that looks like. They also have a Twitter available on here, so you can find their Twitter at half Shiba Inu. Their Twitter just joined in January 2023, so very brand new project in general here. 1,154 Twitter followers so far. It says, welcome to the official Twitter account of half Shiba Inu, SHIB0.5. So it's confusing because they call themselves SHIB0.5, and oh no, so that is their ticker symbol, SHIB0.5. For some reason I thought it was Shiba 0.5, but it's not. Anyways, half Shiboshis are revealed. It says refresh your meta and go on OpenSea to reveal yours. So they have these collection here of half Shiboshis, they're called. It says mint your half Shiboshi now. You could check the Shiboshis out. So it looks like there is a collection, total volume 5 ETH, and price floor for each one is 0.049 ETH. They have 30% unique owners, it says, and there is 1,000 in the collection, and creator earnings are 10%, and this is on the Ethereum chain, and this was just created in February 2023. So this is why this token is being listed all at the same time on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They're dropping everything kind of all at once here to advertise. The tokens being listed at the same time these NFTs are dropping. They're actually kind of cool, kind of a little bit pixelated looking, but you know, not a lot. Decent artwork. They all have different things, like one has a birthday hat, one has laser eyes, all these different things on here. So check them out. Check out their OpenSea there, the half Shiboshis. So it says half Shiba Inu. Half Shiba Inu is one of the first tokens to be paired with SHIB LP to utilize SHIB tokens to prevent bots and snipers. And they have a buy now button that will take you over to DEX tools, it says on their page. But I don't believe you have to buy this off DEX tools. There's an easier way, I'm sure here. It is now listed on Uniswap. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the half Shiba Inu token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their Etherscan or webpage. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that here. Hopefully we can find that. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So token price right now, as of recording this video, is $7.94. It's actually down 3.29% right now, so maybe it'll bounce back here. That's not a tremendous amount anyways. It says fully diluted market cap is $7,941,000 $925. 24-hour trading volume right now is $924,511. And they might have central exchange coming on the way, but it doesn't look like it is listed on any central exchange as of now. So half Shiba Inu is an ERC20 meme token that is one of the first tokens to be paired with SHIB LP to utilize SHIB tokens to prevent bots and snipers. SHIB0.5 is inspired by the meme token SHIB and has the potential launch of Shibarium. And it says half Shib Inu has successfully launched an NFT collection called Half Shiboshis, which features 1,000 NFTs, and you can purchase them on OpenSea. Now, it says on their page here, welcome to the world of Ethereum-powered meme tokens. They have a live chart on here. So it shows you step by step here. Step 1, swap Shiba, swap your ETH, and then yada yada yada. Buy your SHIB here. Okay, so that's nothing. That's just showing you how to get the token. So it says there is a 0% buy and sell tax. So you most likely will not have to set slippage at all if you're buying or selling this token. So that's a good thing there. Now, they do not have a roadmap as of yet on here. They do not have they don't even really have a token allocation pie chart on here or anything like that. Show you how the tokens are allocated. They don't have lots of things on here. They really don't have much going on. Audit, KYC, Seifu badge, any of those security things. So definitely be aware of that. Maybe they're listed on their Twitter here. We'll check that out. It says you're only allowed to mint 5 NFTs per wallet. So max 5 mint per wallet. Now, and it says, yeah, mint your half Shiboshi now for only 0.02 ETH. And they have a different link on here that will take you over to mint-halfshiba.com. And over there, it says, it's here, Half Shiboshi's Universe, a place where you could have fun. And we are the Half Shiboshis. Half Shiboshis is the official NFT project of the Half Shiba token. It will help you diversify, expand the community, and inject funds into Half Shiba Inu. And and then that's all the info that they have on this page as well. So not a lot of info on there either. And they do ask me anything's on their page here, these AMAs that you could get involved with. They have different partners on here. It says they're partnering with Evolve AI. A lot of these new projects and tokens coming out have the word AI in them. So here's another one. But besides that, not a ton of info and security and stuff like that. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research, of course. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Half Shiba Inu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.